Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. Well, this is a general reading for Taurus for the month of March 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of March. So, Taurus, let's see what the cards have to say. Alright, Taurus. Alright, so your energy of the month, I see here two of pentacles, juggling between two things, trying to make a balance between two things. You want to give importance to both the things, but when you try to do that, you feel scared that you will lose one of the things. If like because you are a little confused in the process of juggling. If you give more importance to your professional life, you might lose your personal life. If you give more importance to your personal life, you might lose your professional life. Similarly, it could be two people, two situations, two different scenarios. It could be anything, but for each one of you, it can be a different situation, but you will be trying to maintain a balance. You will be trying to keep both the things in your hands. You will be like juggling between two things. It could be your emotions as well. So moving ahead, the first week of March cards are Temperance reversed, Five of Wands reversed, and Nine of Pentacles reversed. So here I see again not being able to make balance. Um, you're not you are overthinking. You believe that maybe whatever is coming in your mind or whatever is happening is true, but please, it's not. Your intuitions are going to be true always. That has not. That should not be the case every time. Sometimes you just overthink, overanalyze, and maybe that is not what reality is. So I see that kind of a thing, which gives you or takes you to some kind of a conflict. It could be some inner conflict. It could be conflict with the people around you. And trust me, this conflict, in this particular conflict, nobody's right, nobody's wrong. Like, even if you're fighting with other people, or other people are fighting with you, you both are somewhere wrong or you both are somewhere right. And even if it is some kind of an inner conflict, so again, creating a lot of confusion, because whatever you are, because of whatever reasons that conflict is there, it is all overthinking. It's just that you are manifesting it. You have manifested it. You have you have been overthinking about it. You just, some thought came to your mind, and you started overthinking, and you thought it is your intuition and this is right, this has to be right, this is what you have been feeling since a very long time, which is not the case. I'm sorry, this is just taking your mental peace. This is just making your life more unstable, and you are not going anywhere from this direction. At least not, from this point, you're not going anywhere, not, at least not in the forward direction. So you have to be, I think you should stop thinking for a while. And unless you have seen something or some kind of a reality is there, so take a reality check. Don't just presume things and start thinking about it. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are King of Wands, Nine of Wands reversed, and the Star reversed. I see that you have taken an action regarding something, and this is not what you really wanted. You have done something which you didn't want, and now that is making you little insecure. You are little insecure about your future. You feel that whatever you have gained till now, whatever you have like you have, whatever, it could be property, it could be people around you, it could be relationships, it could be the position that you have reached till now, whatever is yours, you have a feeling, or you're scared that it might go away. So that kind of a feeling was there, because when you took the decision, you were quite confident, and you thought that it is for everybody's good, and things are going to be uh, you know like you had something else in your mind when you had taken the decision or done something. You thought maybe it is going to do good, but unfortunately what you expected did not happen. So now that is creating a lot of insecurity. Moving towards the third week, cards are Ace of Cups reversed, Nine of Swords, and Queen of Cups reversed. So here you can see, right, the cups are reversed. So emotionally, you are totally drained. You are in a position where you are, you know, not able to sleep at night. You are having nightmares. You are scared, of your past. You maybe something happened in your past, and because that was not so good, maybe that was painful. So maybe you were just overthinking about the situation. If something happened in past, that might happen in the present also. Maybe you did not have a good job in past, and your manager was not good. So maybe you are thinking the same thing about the new manager. Maybe you did not have a good relationship in past, and maybe you are thinking the same thing for the present relationship. And even though the things are not that bad, you're just imagining stuff, and you are ruining your relationship on your own just because you're thinking so negative. So don't do that. This is not a good sign. If you know if you are overthinking, you're not able to sleep, I think you should really go and talk to your person regarding it. This is really going to make you feel good, because keeping everything inside or repressing it can be bad for your own health. Moving ahead for the fourth week, cards are Three of Cups reversed, Queen of Swords, and Six of Swords reversed. So again, I see that you are, you know, you want to take action, but now you have become cold towards a particular situation. And when you know, you are sensitive from inside, but on you know overtly you don't show that. And because of that, people might feel that it's difficult to work with you, it's difficult to talk to you, it's difficult to make you understand about certain things. You want to go back to a place. Maybe you will feel like going back to a happy place, your safe place. And but unfortunately a partnership is not working for you right now. So if there are people involved who are giving you some kind of a guidance regarding your relationships or anything, so I would suggest that is not working right. It is doing more harm than good. So you being alone, as in like rather taking advice from other people about what you should do about yourself and for others and your relationships, your profession, whatever it is, you alone can take pretty good decisions, and other people can't do it for you. Had it been straight, I would have said yes, partnership works, other people's advice work, but it is a reverse card. I cannot say that other people are giving you good advice right now. So that's about it, Taurus. I hope it helps, and if there are any doubts, you can write in the comment box. You can also mail me, and for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. That's about it. Good luck.